guys, so it is like 8 a.m. We are going to the Tower of London today. I'm gonna see the London Bridge. Hey y'all, future Hannah here, editing this video. So multiple times throughout this video, you will hear me reference the bridge that I'm gonna see as London Bridge. It's not called London Bridge, it's called Towers Bridge. I did not know this, and in my defense, literally if you look up London Bridge, Tower Bridge pops up. And in our guide, it said London Bridge. So that's why I was referencing Towers Bridge as London Bridge, and everybody I was with was calling it London Bridge. So it wasn't just my stupidity, it was people around me, and I even looked it up, and whenever you look up, like I said, London Bridge, that's what pops up. So kind of embarrassing, but I learned and I corrected myself. So we're moving on. It's gonna be really exciting. It's gonna be my first time ever in London, and I'm super pumped. See you there. Have to do like a touristy, like try and like eat, pat it.
And welcome back to our channel.
Actually,
in today's video,
this is going on my YouTube channel.
Stop it! I love that. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video,
We're at a bridge that happens to be in London.
it's just like a tiny little bridge,
Yeah.
like little.
Fergie has a song about it, but no big deal.
Like, quaint little place.
Sometimes it falls down, but it's okay.
Yeah, no. Every once in a while.
Here we are in the middle of the bridge. It's freaking freezing. It's so cold.
It's so cool.
But it's so high up. And look, like, I don't know. It's just crazy. It's huge. It's a little bit of London over there. And over there. Oh look, it's a double-decker bus. We took a double-decker coach bus here. It was amazing. It was lit. So it's a couple hours later. We got back around 4 o'clock. They use military time here, so like I have to like think about it. I was gonna go to like the bar with a bunch of people. Our meeting is like far away, And I was supposed to walk with one girl, but she's not going now. And I don't want to walk that far, like, by myself. And I don't want to Uber both ways because, like, I'm trying to save money. And, like, I had 4 months to go. And plus, like, the bar scene really isn't my scene. Like, I'm not into that. And, like, I know it's to meet new people. And plus, I'm starting to get a headache. I'm so jet lagged still. So, I'm just going to go next time, like, when I'm feeling better. But, yeah, that was my day today. I wasn't going to vlog initially because I'm, like, still really scared. But, like, the other girls, like, they were loving it. So, I got some of it. I couldn't record, like, the most intriguing part there, which was the crown jewels. Like, we were getting yelled at for, like, trying to take pictures. So, I couldn't record that. But, yeah, it was really cool to see the London Tower and stuff. And, you know, I have 4 more months to explore. So, yeah, I will catch you on the flip side.